Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore different power plans on Windows 10 if the options are missing. If you right click the start menu and select power options, when the window pops up on the right side, select additional power settings. The control panel window for power options will now appear, and if you're having this issue you'll notice that there is very minimal options to choose from. You're either missing high performance, balance, power saver, ultimate performance. To fix this and gain access to all the options, you're going to want to open the command prompt as administrator. And you're going to want to type in one of the commands from the description below. Each command is associated with a different power option. You can pick the one you want access to, or you can just enable them all. Just copy and paste and hit enter. For me, I'll just enable all of them for the demonstration of the video. You'll then notice that it says Power Scheme GUID, and it labels each power option: Power Saver, Balanced, High Performance, and Ultimate Performance. You'll then want to restart your computer. Once your system reboots, go to the Start menu, right click Power Options, Additional Power Settings. Then select the Show Additional Plans, and then you'll notice that you'll have access to all the additional power options. Just select the one that you want and you're good to go. Now if you have duplicate power plans, you can just select Change Plan Settings, and you can just delete the plan. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.